I have walked through the darkest valley. I was lost, couldn't find my way. But then I heard him from within, he who died for my sins. He spoke my name, then I saw his face. Yes, I've seen his eternal glory. I felt his hand when I was astray.
For breakfast, I had 1 pack of buttered instant grits, which is 3 points, 1 apple and some grapes, 0 points, 1 slice of Ezekiel toast with a little tiny bit of butter, and that was 1 point, so a total of 4 points for my breakfast. And I have my air on full blast right now. It's 90 degrees outside. And it was a little warm in here. So, trying to just cool it off some before I start moving. But I need to run to Dollar General real quick. I was in the middle of doing some things and realized I was out of some items that I needed to pick up. That can be so frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of doing laundry or something and you're out of a couple of things. But I'm going to go pick those things up, and I have some things I need to do around the house. But I need to come back and cut some grass, which today's a day off for me. But when I have those days off, I like to kind of get things done as much as I can around here. And since I'm usually cleaning someone else's house or some other business or something like that, I like to try to concentrate on my house when I'm home. And weekends, I don't like to do too much because I just feel like that's my downtime. And spending time with my husband and stuff like that. So even though we do try to get things done on the weekends as well, if we can't do it during the week, if I don't have a day off. But since I did have a day off today, and it's not looking too bad as far as getting some grass cut and things like that, I just thought I would go ahead and do it. But I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to go to Dollar General real quick and get those items that I needed to pick up. So let's go.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before.
we have a bit of a pop-up rainstorm. I don't think it's going to last very long. I think I can still cut grass. So, but I just, before I get out of my car, I thought I would share this with you real quick. These were, you already saw some of the things I got at Dollar General, but some of the other things I did not show. I've been liking this Jolly Rancher watermelon flavor in my water, so that helps me drink a little bit more water. But I also got this little canister. It was $8, but I got that to put my utensils in. I have tall utensils that I keep in a cabinet because I can't fit them in the drawer. So I got one of these to put that in. So I think that'll work out great for that. And also I've been wanting some rustic looking candlesticks for my mantle, my fireplace mantle. And so this one was 10, and you can see it's a lot taller than this one. You can see that, but it was $8. So I wanted 2 different sizes. And then they have these little tabletop decor. So this one was 3, which I thought was a good deal. You know, the little the beads that you can put on a tray or even on the mantle. So I thought that was nice. Not sure, I might dry wash it with some white paint. I'm not sure if I'll leave it like that. And one of these, I've been seeing this one. I finally just picked it up. It's with a moo here. It's $4, and I could have gotten something else free. You buy one. It was the green dot sale, so you buy one, you can get something else free, equal or lesser value. But I didn't see anything else that I wanted for that. So, but this reminds me of my grandson, because I always, when we FaceTime, I sing Old MacDonald sometimes to him. He likes that little song. So it just reminded me of him. So with the moo here, I thought that was cute. That'd be cute for my coffee. And just last few things were just some blueberries. And also got some Bartlett pears. I like to have these just as a little snack sometimes. But that's everything that I got at Dollar General. It was a really quick little haul here. Mainly went in there just to get some fabric softener that I was out of, and the dog food, because I was getting low on that for the 2 dogs. But that was everything that I got at Dollar General. So now I'm going to go and get some things done inside and hopefully get some grass cut in just a little bit. And for lunch, I'm having this Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers. It's a chicken linguine with red pepper Alfredo. This is great for when I'm home, because I can just heat this up. I don't do that when I go to for work or anything. I usually bring a sandwich or a salad, something like that, quick and easy. That doesn't need to be heated up. But 3 points for this if you're doing Weight Watchers. So that's really not too bad. It's not a whole lot, but it is something that'll be filling for me for lunch, because I'm going to also have a salad with it, which the salad is 0 points, but the sugar-free honey Dijon dressing is 2 points for 2 tablespoons, so not too bad. So for the whole lunch, it will be 5 points. So not bad at all for that. And I usually snack on fruit, and that's 0 points. So things like that kind of get me through the day. And then I'll let you see what it is I'm going to have for dinner in just a little bit.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Last night I took out this teriyaki chicken marinade that I had in the freezer to let it defrost in the fridge. So this is 2 points, and I'm going to add some broccoli. This is the steam fresh. I cooked this halfway through, and I'm going to add it to this chicken. But I just put the chicken in a pan, and then I will cut up some of the pieces a little bit more, just to make them more manageable bite-sized pieces, and it kind of gives me a little bit more chicken throughout the dish. But that's all I'm going to do with that. I do add, like I said, the broccoli, and I didn't add the whole bag. I added some of it. Then I will add just a little bit of garlic powder. This already had the teriyaki seasoning and some garlic, minced garlic in it, and then I'm adding some black pepper to it. And by adding, it's still 2 points for just this right here. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of brown rice, and I added a little bit of soy sauce to it and a little bit more of the teriyaki sauce, and it's very minimal, so I didn't even count those as points because there's no need. It's just a scant amount of sauce and soy sauce. But then I just put the chicken and the broccoli over that rice. So this is basically about a 4-point meal, and it was really delicious. I really did enjoy this. You get a good bit for that amount. And I will leave the link down below of the video I made for the marinades, in case you want to try those. I know that this video is a little bit different in style from what you're used to seeing me post, but if you're interested in this type of style video from me, please leave your comment below and let me know if this is something you'd like to see occasionally. Like a day in my life, snippets, and what I've eaten during the day on Weight Watchers included in it. But if this is something you'd like to see in the future, please let me know, and I'll try to incorporate these during the month. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.